overlook.
Yeah, flip that, the coin gets tossed. One lap, the joint gets launched. On the final bus, you're written to right and up. Flip that, the coin gets tossed. One lap, the joint gets launched. On the final bus, you're written to right and up.
So we went down to TJ O'Mahony's and dealt with Graham, obviously. Graham was a legend. So we got bags of they're not self-tappers. They say it's self-drilling tech screws, but you do need to pre-drill into this thick metal and the sheets. So we got these because they do hold on strong. Got myself some cobalt drill bits as well because the other ones snapped. They weren't great. So we're going to start getting more sheets up onto the frame. So the plan is to get all these up and just drill them in the middle and put a few up, held them in, and then this section here, and then I can do all the bottoms. I'm going to do a screw on each ridge so then it's held in nice and tight on the bottom, middle and the top. So I'm going to get them all on first, then I can get up, pre-drill all the holes and then tack them in.
You're the mini buzz, white top, spill the guinea on. Silly Billy Kinney Von. I'm Saul Goodman and the Cine Bun. Yeah, it's L.A. Von. Full bangers rock napalm. Old boy saucy balls in that central that you stay away from. Kick me feet up on the chair that's opposite to me. 80 quid about me pockets at the beat. Inspector wanna foot. How bollocks shit it be. Plop 'em in the bin, but I wouldn't give to kill all these Elvis talking shit to me. Jab, cross little knee. Flawless victory.
Like flex on them, we're the best on them. My breast talking car, boy, ain't that you can go and get your car.
Now we have all these up. We just have them holding on with two in the middle either end. So I'm just going to drill holes all the way down like this. We have a few of them done already. I just have plenty more to do. Then I'm going to do all the bottom. We're going to put 3 on each sheet on the bottom all the way down. And then need to get a ladder and get the top ones done. Then once that's done, we can move on to that section. So I'm going to blast all these holes over. That sounded not good. Blasting holes. Anywho, we're going to drill all these and get all these screws in, and that's one part of the shed done. So let's get them all done.
Fucking hell, you ain't coming close. Get your stuff and go when the final boss. You don't have a hope.
Who's the best is me? Who's fresh up for the breakfast? Me. Who's that young next from the message? Me. Check a text is me. Fuck it, okay, you can get this.
So that's all the middle ones done on the back. I'm just going to do all the middle ones on the side, and then we're going to do the full bottom. And then try get all the way up there and up there. Now we're working on the top ones. I can't get near them because of the bushes, so I just trimmed them all back. So I'm going to stand on the wall there, drill all the holes and get them all in. So it doesn't look high, but it is. We're like 8 foot up in the air, and it's a pretty nasty drop if you do fall, but I don't plan on falling. So we just have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws left to do on this side, and then we need to figure out what we're doing around this side because that's an absolute mess.
Flip that, the coin gets tossed. One lap, the joint gets launched. On the final bus, you're written to right and up. Flip that, the coin gets tossed. One lap, the joint gets launched. On the final bus, you're written to right and up.
Now that is one side completely done. Once we have this all done, I'm going to get up with the grinder and go all the way around the lip. Get that cut off. And I'm just going to figure out what I'm going to do with this now. Do I try cut them bushes back all the way because the concrete wall is a bit thinner and it's a bit far back, it's a bit back from this actual thing. But this is pretty solid. I don't know whether I'll be able to stand on that or not, but I might try to get a taller ladder. But I'm going to get this panel on and yeah, move on from there. Yeah, I know it doesn't look like it, but that's what 6 hours of work looks like in time lapses, and getting up and down and drilling holes and screwing screws in and drilling holes. Yeah, Great fun. So back to it, we just have this section all pushed in against the wall around. I need to drag this one over a bit, get this section down, clad it, get those trees chopped down, push that one back up or lay it over here, and then get this one cladded. Then we can join them together, push it all down the back. Then I'll need to get at the back of it, so I need to pull it out a bit so I can go up on top and get these ones done, and then trim it all off around. So yeah, because I'm a gobshy, I didn't allow for something and I completely overlooked it. So down behind here is all well and good, but when you look up, there's a lip on that wall and there's no way I'm cutting all that off. So in order to allow for that, we have to cut a few inches off that. It's very windy, very, very windy. So we need to cut a few inches off that and rejoin it. So we're just gonna get that done now, and then we can flip this over and get it cladded. Right, with all the welding done, I cut it and shortened it like 3.5 inches. So it's exactly the right measurement I need for the other end. So I'm just going to move this and get it in the right orientation, so when I put the steel on it, I can just flip it up into place and it's ready to rock and roll. Once I get the sheets on this one, I'm going to get this one down on the ground, get the sheets on this one, and then cut all this crap back.
See that happen, see me snapping. Watch your boy freeze, you can see he lagging. You be in your fields when you see me. You be in your fields when you see me walk. When you see me strutting the place like I own that kid with the final boss. Not a soul coming close, couldn't clone that shit. I'm a ghost. Oh, quote that shit. I be on the flow when I poke that shit. Catch this smoke when I toss this roach. Not a hope in the wall, could you smoke that shit? Gonna hold that L. Toe tag tip. I be on the move like a nomad is. You be out looking for a cosign that you're never gonna get with your broke ass shit. And I flex on them with the best on them. My breast talking car boy ain't the die. You can go and keep your talk to yourself. Fucking bell, you the best in Ireland, bro. You're looking at them, go and get yourself some help. Cause fucking hell, you ain't coming close. Get your stuff.
So guys, that is another section of the garage done. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to try and source 3 or 4 of these for this one because that took 7 sheets and I only have 5 left, and I also need to use one of those for this gap here. So another one needs to go here. That will join onto this end when that stands up, and then this one is more than likely going to take 7 as well. So we need to source 3 of these. Even if I need to buy them now, I think they're 30 quid a length, so I can order 3 of those. And we have those nice fancy ones over there for the front of the garage to make it look nice. I'll show you them now. So this is the nice box cladding I got off Aaron. There's enough here to do the front of the garage, so I want the front of the garage to look nice. This is all not seen. It's all seen from the inside but not the outside. So the outside of the garage is going to be really pretty with this stuff. There's plenty of it. I might have to use some of it for this if I can't source any of these, but I'm nearly sure I can get these fairly easy enough. It's just standard cladding. I only need 10-foot lengths, so maybe they're a bit cheaper. Maybe I'll get them for 20 quid each. I'll have a look online, see if I can source some second-hand ones. So yeah, that's a wrap for this video. I'm going to leave it now. Dan isn't well, so he couldn't get me the steel bit for the garage, but we will be getting that during the week. We will be taking all that stuff down and getting the panel on the wall, get the hinges situated up here, and then we can get a start on the gate. I do want to get all these up, the 4 up, so then I can weld. I want to weld in stabilizing bars across here and up above here, straight across. Then I do need to put some bars from here down just for extra strength. But yeah, that's another panel there. I'm going to push this in against the wall just to keep it in out of the way so the wind doesn't pick it up, and hold it against this other panel here as well. So yeah, chuffed with that. So there we have the other panel pushed in on top of this one here, so this doesn't pull away. Because it is a bit of a wind trap, it's kind of safer just to have this down here and up against it at the moment. I can hear something really loud and it sounds like a Honda. It sounds awesome. So yeah, we're going to leave the video at that. Really do appreciate you for watching. If you liked the video, give it a like. Make sure you subscribe. Keep with updates with all of this crap that I'm doing. Absolute nightmare. But yeah, appreciate you for watching. And don't forget, be dedicated in everything. All aspects of everything, life, projects, everything. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.
Get your stuff and go when the final boss, you don't have a